Welcome! This is a little overview of the week overview pages that you'll see at the beginning of every module. So the main parts of it I want to go through in order to give you a sense of how you can use them to plan your week and look ahead. So every week you'll have a little note from me at the beginning. It'll be pretty brief, just a short introduction to the week. If there's anything that I need you to know immediately, I'll usually use the Canvas inbox to let you know that, but here's a space just to give you a heads up about the week. The most important elements of the week overview are these. On the side, you'll see our week's learning goals. So these are the things that we're trying to figure out, we're trying to accomplish, and we're thinking through this week in this class. You'll also see a linked set of course outcomes. These will take you back to our course syllabus, to the course learning outcomes, so you can see which ones I've decided we're focusing on the most this week and which ones are most important. These both are here just to give you a sense of the bigger picture and why we're doing what we're doing. This side will generally give you the information about when we're going to have Zoom sessions. And maybe there'll be some resources here. Sometimes I'll have just a reminder of some important resources for the week. But most importantly, the assignments to complete section. This is a visual representation of what you'll see in the modules. So you have links to each of the assignments or the assignments that are due that week, but you see them separated out from each other, and you see the estimated amount of time that at least I am guessing it will take you to complete the assignment. I do my best to make these realistic, but if you find that I'm way off, let me know. This is here so that you can make plans about how much time you'll need to give assignments within the week. If you see that there's one assignment that takes the majority of the week, you might consider getting started on that sooner rather than later. If there's something small, maybe you'll have a lunch break where you can just take care of it really quickly. It should give you a sense of how to tackle the week. So this is the same information that you'll see in the modules. You'll always be a little GIF here at the bottom of it. Again, you might see a resource. But the week modules page is just another representation of what you need to accomplish that week and what we're trying to think through and do. I will require you to click through it every week just so you have a sense of what we're up to and if there's any information that you need to know for the week. It's also nice because you can kind of use it as a checklist if you're worried about missing something or you want to make sure you have a sense of how we're progressing. Okay, that's this document and you'll see it every week.